Hello guys, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how to create a forum website with WordPress. Let's get started. And as you can see right here, you just need to actually install a plugin. So just search in here for BBPress. And then you can see BBPress right here. Just click on this install right here in order to successfully install this particular plugin. Once you have installed it, just head over and click on this activate option in order to activate this plugin. Next thing you need to do is to just head over to settings and click on forums right here. Now as you can see right here, BBPress has been installed successfully. So you can put in here these rules. You can automatically give registered visitors, participants, moderator, spectator, anything right here. So just choose in here which one you want to use. And then from in there, you can see this editing option, anonymous option. You can also create accounts to create topics. And also this forum features, you can embed media, enable thread right here, and you can also allow topic and reply revision. You can have tags, search, forum moderators, forum moderator, and all of that. The current page that we have is a BBPress default right here, and also this topic and replies for page. You can also see this RSS page as well as this forum roots log and this forum signals logs right here, such as this forum topic, topic tag, view reply, search, and all of that, as well as the forum users logs and all of this. What you can do next is just head over and click on the save changes right here. Once you have saved your settings, scroll down on your left sidebar until you can see this option called Forums. Click on this Add New right here in order to create your new forum that will have the same settings that we have actually tweaked earlier. Now you can see this. So for example, you can create a new forum. So for example, let's name it Dog Forum or Dog Breed. You can add paragraph, medias, or anything that you want. You can put in here the type of forum, as well as the status right here, visibility, the parent column, order, moderators for this particular column. And then once you have done that, click on this publish right here in order to publish this particular forum that we have just created. Once it's been published, we can actually view it. So you can head over and then right click on it and open it on new tab in order to see what this forum looks like. So this forum looks like here. So as of right now, it's empty. So you can head over and put in here a topic title, tags, topic, and all of this. So I have added in here some topic and click on submit right here. If you're actually a user, you can put in here some topics on this particular forum, and then this will look like this, and people will be able to reply to it, spam it, trash it, or anything that you can see right here. So that's the whole process. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like or subscribe because it helps reach more people. See you soon.